lesson number 4. In this class, we're going to show you how to travel forward with the rhythm of TRASPIE.
We can call it corrida, TRASPIE. Corrida means the running step. Why running? Because with the fast tempo of the milonga, the illusion is that you are a little bit in a hurry, but we're not really in a hurry. We're very knowledgeable about the technique of making compact, fast steps.
We will start with an exercise to train what we're going to next practice in couple.
Remember the crossing of canjenge style that we used in a previous method. And so we are going backwards with the left foot, crossing twice, 1 and 2, and backwards with the right foot, 1 and 2. Similar, in the same pattern, we can move forward, crossing front and front and front and front. Now, the travel is really very compact. We are not traveling 500 kilometers per hour. We are moving little by little. Front and front for the leader, back and back for the lady. 1 and 2, 1 and 2.
This is a very particular technique that we are using in Milonga, and we are avoiding pivot to be quick.
And so, take a look at this pattern, dance to the rhythm of canjenge.
The sensation that I get from the leader is that it's a very grounded and steady forward motion.
So no hopping up and down. What I don't want you to do, leaders, is to waste your energy going up and down. Try to flex your knees one time, register this position, and from the open step, without changing the height, go directly into traveling on diagonals, thinking of the old canjenge style of moving.